morning, everybody. Yeah, it's like 30 right now. It was 23, so we warmed up a little bit. But well, we're gonna go in here at the Loves. We need to get some fuel. We need to get some medicine, because I woke up last night at like 12:30, 1 o'clock, hacking my lungs out. So that's a problem. We gotta fix that today. That's why I'm sounding real nasally and stuff right now, because I ran out of Mucinex yesterday, which sucks. So we're gonna do a quick walk around the truck. We're gonna get some fuel, get some Tylenol or Mucinex or something, and carry on with our day. All right, guys. Do our quick walk around, our quick little check here. Good thing we did, because we caught that. All right, everything good here. Walk around to the back of the trailer, see what we can find over here. Yep, still there. Tires are still there. All good there. All good. I've got to go look at that, find out why that's fucking hissing now. But okay, there we go. Whew, sorry for that close-up shot. I know it was glorious. But if you had on your bingo card the morning of what is Grimlin's routine, and you had on that card in one of your blocks McDonald's bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit, now that would be, you would probably be winning right. Oh man, I feel like crap. I gotta drive for a little while today. We're going to be shutting down at like probably 2:30. So we're gonna have a good day. Well, that's done. Hopefully that kicks in sooner than later. But yeah, well, let's get this vlog kicked off, you know. All right, it's time to get this fuel going. All right, flip it up without skipping ahead. What do y'all think how much it's gonna cost to fill the truck up today? I'm thinking about $450. Well, if you had guessed $330, you would be right. Oh, well, this is crazy. All they've got is this mess here. They don't have any freaking snacks, so we're just gonna grab. We'll guess one of these. And yeah, if you guessed we were doing McDonald's, well, you guessed right. Here. And next time to go, not today, we'll go ahead and pay. Well, we have stopped for the night. We got here at like 2:30 and everything went off without a hitch. Been here for, well, I've been off duty now in the sleeper for roughly 30 minutes. See? So that's a plus. That's good. I've got me some lunch, got me some, y'all may be surprised to hear this, but Hardee's. Got some Hardee's. I may eat out of the truck tonight for dinner. Who knows? We'll see. We'll see. But yeah. Oh, and as you noticed, I'm not holding the phone. Yeah. Oh, I can't laugh like that yet. While I went inside the Loves, see, I'm at the Loves. Ignore my burger on the thing. I wanted to record real quick. So that's what I did. That's normally what y'all sit on, by the way. My little phone mount. Look at that. That's why it's sideways and stuff. But then I was like, you know what? Let me just use my little tripod thing, my bob. I can actually put y'all down on something, spread the little legs out here and record, which is kind of cool. It's like a spider thing, flex pod. I don't know. It's something like that. We got that now. So that's a huge plus, huge improvement to the video and recording process. Now I don't have to hold my phone. I can do like I need to do somewhat. I can move a little bit better. So that's huge for me. But yeah, sorry, my ADHD kicked in and I done forgot what the hell I was talking about. But yeah, that's kind of how that goes that time. I got fucking scatterbrained. Like, see, let me see. Can I put y'all down here? Well, kinda. Yeah, kinda. Look at that. You're sitting on my damn steering wheel now. I ain't got to hold you now. Look at that. You're grown. You can move. Look at that. You're free. You can walk. Holy shit. This is about to change everything right here. This, who would have thought? This little flexi thing, I didn't even know these freaking things existed. I went into Love's. I was like, you know what? I need to find something I can record with. You know, like I need, maybe, like I knew about a selfie stick, you know, but I don't even think those things exist anymore. So I was like, well, let me look for something that's similar to it. And I found this guy here. Look at that, man. Look at that. It was meant to be, guys. Yeah. Well, we're, like I said, we're done for the day. We're just going to kind of hang out, watch Ghost Adventures, finish my burger. That's, I think, what I was talking about. Like I said in yesterday's video, I hope everyone had a good weekend and I will be talking to you soon. Peace.